Welcome back, children. Once again, this is Ansu here. We are going to move forward with the third part of manipulating images using GIMP. In part 2, we discussed how to open a file and how to save a file, right? Now let's move on to the next set. How to use the basic tools in GIMP. Now, while using basic tools, you need to keep these many things in mind. There are various tools available to perform basic tasks quickly. That is, there are different types of tools available in GIMP to perform the different tasks that you require. You can use the tools from the Tools menu on the image window. The middle window is the image window. You can use or access the tools from the Tools menu in the image window. To quickly access the tools, you can use the toolbox. If you want to use it very fast, you don't want to go to the tools menu, then you have the toolbox on the left side. From that, you can access the things you need. You can customize the set of tools in the toolbox on the left side. If there are some tools that you require frequently, that is, you need the brush or you need a pencil to write on it or do corrections, these tools which are required most often by you should be kept on the toolbox so that you can quickly select and use it. When you select a tool to perform a task, the tools options for the selected tool appears in the toolbox within the tools option dialog. That is, when you are selecting a particular tool from the tools menu and you're using it, that selection appears in the toolbox in the left side so that you can see that you are using that particular tool. Selection tools. There are different types of selection tools in GIMP. This time we are going to only discuss about the different types of selection tools that are available. You can use various selection tools for images and layers to select the required area and perform different tasks. That is, there are lots of selection tools available in GIMP for selecting the parts of the image that you need to work on. So you can select based on the requirement. On which shape you need to work on, you can select the tool accordingly. This allows you to work only with selected region in an image or a layer without affecting the unselected region. That is, once you select a particular area in an image, it works only in that selected area. It will not affect on the areas outside the selected range. Now, we need to talk about what are the steps to activate required selection tools. The first thing is you need to open the required image in GIMP. That is, you have to first open your image in the GIMP image window space. On the image window, click the Tools option. Then you have to click on the Tools menu. From the drop-down list, select the required tool that you need. The Tools option appears in the Tools option dialog box. It appears in the dialog box on the left side. From then what you do is you take your pointer and put it on top of the picture and select the area that you need to work on. And you need to click on it. That much area will be selected for you. Now let's talk about the different types of selection tools that are available. One is rectangle select tool. Next one is ellipse select tool, free select tool, fuzzy select tool, select by color tool, and scissors select tool. These are the different types of selection tools in GIMP. The first one we need to discuss is rectangle select tool. From the word itself, you can understand that you are selecting a rectangular area of the picture. You are selecting a portion in rectangle shape. This tool allows you to select a rectangular area in an image. That is, it is allowing you to select a portion of the image which is in rectangle shape. Then this tool is also used to add a rectangle in an image. That is, in an image, if you want to add an additional rectangle into that picture to make it beautiful, then you can use the same tool. It is either used to select a rectangular area in a picture or to add a rectangle into the image. The next one is ellipse select tool. Ellipse is basically a shape that is used for making circles or oval shapes. Okay, so this tool allows you to create a circular or elliptical area in an image. Another name for elliptical image is an oval shape image. So this tool allows you to create a circular or elliptical area in an image. This tool is also used to add a circular or elliptical shape on an image. If you want to modify or beautify your image by putting a circular area in it or a circle in it or an oval shape in it, then this is the tool that you need to use. Free select tool. This tool allows you to select a freehand area in an image using a pointer while holding down the left mouse button. That is, you can select an area freely with the help of your left mouse button. You can click on the left mouse button and point to any area in any direction that you like inside the image. The current pointer location is connected to the start location with a single line. Wherever you stop, the end point and the first point will be interconnected with a single line. Fuzzy select tool. This tool allows you to select adjacent areas on the basis of color. That is, there's a picture in your textbook that shows a penguin with 2 feet placed in the front. If you select any one of these areas of the feet, it will automatically select the other leg too, because it is having almost the same color. So it looks at the color on the adjacent area and selects that too for you. When you select one, the other part will also be selected. You can drag the mouse pointer downwards or to the right to expand the selected area. That is, with the help of a mouse, you can expand the area that you want. You can also drag the mouse pointer upwards or to the left to reduce the selected area. Either you can move it downwards and expand it, or you can move it upwards and reduce the area. You know how to increase the selected area and decrease, right? You have been playing with MS Paint for years now, so you're better than me, definitely. Next one is select by color tool. This tool allows you to select areas with similar colors. That is, in the whole picture, wherever a particular color is selected and that particular color appears will be selected by this tool when you use it. This color is similar to fuzzy select tool. This is similar to fuzzy select, but there is one general difference between that is explained in the next box. The difference is that fuzzy select tool selects all the adjacent parts of an image, whereas select by color tool select only the similar pixels of a certain color from the entire image. Fuzzy select is used to select adjacent parts of the image, while select by color tool is used to select that color wherever it appears in the picture. The last thing that we need to discuss today is scissors select tool. This tool allows you to select shapes using intelligent edge fitting. What do you mean by intelligent edge fitting? It just means that it is able to go around the edges of your image very cleanly or very neatly. The area in an image is selected using control points. How do you select the edges? You have to do it with the help of control points. That is, you cannot select the whole image at one go. You need to go from point to point around the image. A new control point is connected to the last control point by a curved line that follows the edges in an image. That is, it is like you are connecting dots around the image. The advantage is you are able to do it in the form of curves that will fit around the image. Once you are finished selecting the required area, click anywhere inside the curve. That is, once you have gone all around the picture that you want to cut, what you have to do is you have to go and click on the inside part of the selected area. The curve is converted into a selection. Once you click on it, it will be converted into a selection. With this, we come to the end of today's presentation. Please go through this. Without understanding this, you cannot understand the remaining portion of this chapter. Thank you.